Welcome. Today we are going to work on strengthening our hips. Grab a chair if you need it, side of your couch, and let's get started.
Hi, I'm Ashley and I love helping new moms gain strength and lose pounds through clean eating and exercise. Head over to my website for recipes and workouts.
Let's get started by bringing your feet directly under your hips, hands on your hips. You're going to take your right foot, point it out, slightly lift above the floor, point your toe down and pull your heel in. Repeat on the other side. Point out, slight lift up using that hip, core pulled in, point down, pull it in. Next, you are going to point your foot out. Now tuck your hip under, pulling the heel front. Lift, your hip is now open. Bring it down and pull it in. Let's repeat on the other side. Point your foot out, tuck your hip under, lift with the heel, core pulled in, bring it down, and draw your foot back in. Now let's work on simple movements you can do building strength in your hip flexors. Bring your feet together, squeezing your inner thighs and your knees. Turn your feet out. Now pull your toes back front. Turn them out and pull them in back front. Again, turn them out and pull them in back front. Now point your toe front, turn it out, and repeat. Other side, point front, turn it out, hip under, and pull it in. These are simple exercises you can do. Thank you for joining me. Make sure you hit subscribe.